Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will create a multi-threaded program using a thread pool in Python, where we are going to visit the list of websites. First, I'm going to generate a list of websites to visit. I will name it URLs and set two website URLs such as google.com, then yahoo.com, and cnn.com. These are the list of URLs that we are going to visit. Now I'm going to make a function that will visit a website and print information about the response. This function will use the request module, so we need to import that first. So I'm going to import request, import requests, and then I'm going to define our function. That will be def, and I will name it visit URLs, visit underscore URLs, and it will take a URL. In this function, we are going to make a get request to our website URLs and print response information. So this will be our response coming back from our request dot get function, and we need to pass in our URL. Not here, here. And then we are going to print it. URL status code. URL returned, and the status code, that will be response dot status underscore code. Now we have added a list of websites and a function to visit them. Now we can use thread pool executor to create some threads to run the function. Before we can use the thread pool executor class, we need to import concurrent.feature module. So let's import that one. Need to go at the top again. I will import after this line. concurrent dot features import thread pool executor. Now we can create the entry point to our program, add a main function. Let's go scroll down a bit after this visit URL function. And over here, I'm going to add if underscore name, then underscore equal to underscore main underscore. Then we are going to with thread pool executor and pass in max underscore workers, which is set to 2 as executor. Thread pool executor takes a parameter called max underscore worker. This is the number of workers threads we want to use with the contents of the executor. Now I'm going to call the submit function for slide over here for URL in URLs executor dot submit and call our visit underscore urls and then pass in our URL. The submit method takes a target. This one, the submit method over here, takes a target callable and an argument. The function that each thread will run is our visit underscore URLs, and the argument to that function will be the URL of website as it loops through the list of website that we have defined. So this function will be called. Let's try to run our program and check the results. And after I execute my program, we can see the output on our terminal and the Google return response score 200, same for Yahoo and CNN. So this way we can create a multi-threaded program using a thread pool in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Same code keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.